The power of poetry is everybody experiences it differently. There are no rules on what makes a great poem. Instead, a great poem is one that resonates with us and challenges us and teaches us something about ourselves.
Harlem by Langston Hughes. What happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun? Or fester like a sword and then run? Does it sting like rotted meat? Or crusted sugar over like a syrupy sweet? Maybe it just sags like a heavy load. Or does it explode?
Still I Rise by Maya Angelou.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with glue? 'Cause I walk like I got oil wells pumping from my living. Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hope springing high, I rise. Did you want to see me broken, bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, speaking by my soulful cries?
Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard, 'cause I have like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard.
You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness. But still, like air, I rise.
Out of the husk of history's shame, I rise.
Up from a path that's rooted in pain, I rise.
I am a black ocean, leaping and wide, dwelling and dwelling, I bear the tide.
In nights of terror and fear, I rise.
Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear,
I rise.
Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise!
Hey Black Child by Usagi Eugene Perkins.
Hey, black child, do you know who you are, who you really are? Do you know you can be what you want to be if you try to be what you can be? Hey, black child, do you know where you're going, where you're really going? Do you know you can learn what you want to learn if you try to learn what you can learn? Hey, black child!
Do you know you are strong? I mean really strong. Do you know you can do what you want to do if you try to do what you can do?
Hey, black child! Be what you can be. Learn what you must learn. Do what you can do. And tomorrow, your nation will be what you want it to be.